Students, now I will explain about the current and current source, definition of current, unit of current and types of currents. Okay, so current can be defined as a flow of electrons or flow of charge. Rate of change of charge is nothing but what? A current, right? Normally in chemistry we have how many charges are there? Yes, we have 3 charges. Those are nothing but what? A positive charge, negative charge and no charge. The protons, electrons and as well as the neutrons. So the current is nothing but what is a path. Where a path is there, the current can flow very easily, right? So flow of electrons calling as a current, and it is denoted by letter I. Denoted by letter I, and units are amperes. Units are amperes. And here the current can be denoted by a arrow mark. Arrow mark. I of S. Current source. Okay, students. Unit is ampere and it is flow of electrons we are calling as a current, right? These are current sources are two types, that is AC current source and as well as the DC current source, same like your voltage source. But symbolically here a arrow mark indicates about the current path, right? Now coming to the power, which power it is? Electric power. Which power? Electric power. So physical power we have and as well as electrical power we have. Whenever we are discussing about the electrical power, it can be defined as the power is equal to product of voltage and current. It is a product of voltage and current is nothing but here power. Okay. So you know the voltage, you know the current. From that what we can find here? We can find the power. That is electrical power. And unit of electrical power is nothing but here watts or kilowatts or megawatts. Okay, students. P is equal to V into I is a basic power equation, or product of voltage and current is nothing but your electrical power, right? Units are watts. So to measure the power, we use what here? Watt meter. What meter? We use watt meter. To measure the voltage, what we use? We use the voltmeter. Voltmeter. To measure the current, we use ammeter. So the components with respect to the terms and as well as the meters also very important to understand this subject very easily, right? So three basic things are there, that is power, voltage and as well as the current. Okay, so if you know the power, then we can go for the what do you mean by an electrical energy, right? So energy, physical energy is there and as well as electrical energy is there. So students, in our house we have one meter is there. That meter we are calling as a energy meter. Every month what we are getting? We are getting the current bill. How the current will be calculated? By using this meter. That meter we are calling as a energy. Okay, what is the definition of energy? Energy is nothing but what? You know the power with respect of the time. Right, power with respect of the time is nothing but we are calling as a electrical energy. What is the meaning of power? Power is nothing but what? A voltage and as well as the current. With respect of time is nothing but your electrical energy. And what is the unit of electrical energy? Kilowatt hour. To measure the energy, which type of meter we are using here? That is nothing but what? A energy meter. Okay, students, energy meter. Right, so these are the four main components in the electrical system that you have to know: their definition, units and as well as the what type of meter that we are using to measure the quantities. Okay, students, and last one is a conductor. Already you know the meaning of a conductor. Conductor is nothing but water which allows the current freely, that we are saying as a conductors. Okay, students, so these five are very important in this electrical system. Okay, thank you.